Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable automatic media download feature on Telegram PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my personal computer, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application on my PC. And if we want to disable the automatic download feature on Telegram, we need to go to the Telegram setting. We can click on these three lines first and then select the settings, and we're going to go to the advanced settings. Right here, select advanced, and here guys, you'll be able to disable automatic media download feature on your Telegram. And here you can choose where you want to disable the automatic media download. You can select in private chats, in groups, or in channels. And I'm just going to turn off the automatic media download feature on all the chats I have in private chats. I'm just going to disable it like this, and in groups as well. Okay, click on save, and then in channels. Okay, I don't want to be bothered by the files from group chat or channel or even private chat. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to disable automatic media download on Telegram PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.